Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to TechViztory. In today's episode, we're diving into the fascinating world of ChatGPT, an AI-powered language model developed by OpenAI. We'll explore how it can assist you, its purpose, advantages, disadvantages, and even touch upon ways you can leverage it to earn. Let's get started. 1. Understanding ChatGPT. At its core, ChatGPT is an advanced AI language model designed to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. It's trained on a diverse range of internet text and can engage in natural-sounding conversations on a wide array of topics. 2. How ChatGPT can help you. Imagine having an intelligent companion that can assist you with content creation, brainstorming, writing, and more. ChatGPT can help you draft articles, come up with creative ideas, generate social media posts, and even provide explanations for complex topics. 3. The purpose of ChatGPT. The primary purpose of ChatGPT is to enhance productivity and creativity. It's not just a tool for content creators, it's also used in customer support, language translation, education, and various other applications where human-like language understanding and generation are crucial. 4. Leveraging ChatGPT to earn. Now, let's talk about the exciting part: how you can turn ChatGPT into an earning opportunity. You can offer content writing services, create customized chatbots for businesses, develop conversational agents for websites, or even integrate ChatGPT into your own products. 5. Advantages and disadvantages. Like any technology, ChatGPT comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. On the plus side, it's incredibly efficient, available 24/7, and can handle a variety of tasks. However, it might lack deep context understanding, generate incorrect information, or occasionally produce outputs that need human review. 6. Exploring content ideas. Looking for content ideas? ChatGPT can help you generate top 10 feed lists, product reviews, fictional stories, interviews, and even dialogue for scripts. It's a fantastic tool for sparking your creativity and expanding your content repertoire. 7. Beyond text, ChatGPT and multimodal creativity. But wait, there's more. ChatGPT isn't limited to text alone. It's also adept at generating code, poetry, and even designing images. It's a tool that transcends boundaries, making it a companion for various forms of artistic expression. 8. Charting a new tomorrow. Ethical considerations with ChatGPT. As we marvel at ChatGPT's capabilities, it's imperative to navigate ethical waters. Responsible usage involves fact-checking, refining outputs, and maintaining the integrity of information, ensuring that AI serves as a force for good. Segment 9. A glimpse into the future, ChatGPT's evolution and beyond. The journey doesn't end here. The future holds thrilling possibilities for ChatGPT's growth. As AI advances, it's up to us to shape its role in our lives, harnessing its potential to create, connect, and innovate. 10. The vital realm of privacy, navigating ChatGPT's ethical landscape. Host, in our digital age, privacy is paramount. As we marvel at ChatGPT's capabilities, it's essential to delve into its ethical dimensions. We'll explore how data is used, the measures in place to protect user information, and the role of responsible AI usage. Conclusion. So, there you have it, folks. ChatGPT is an impressive AI tool that can be a valuable asset for content creators, businesses, and anyone looking to streamline their language-related tasks. While it's not without its limitations, its potential is vast. Remember, it's all about finding the right balance between AI assistance and human touch. Thank you for being a part of our TechViztory journey today. If you found this information valuable, remember to give that like button a friendly tap, subscribe to our channel for a stream of illuminating tech insights, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. We're eager to hear how you're envisioning the role of ChatGPT in your creative endeavors. Before we part ways, let's remember, while ChatGPT's capabilities are impressive, it's crucial to find harmony between its AI assistance and the touch of human intuition. Always double-check information, fine-tune inputs, and embrace the practice of responsible usage to uphold accuracy and authenticity. From all of us here at TechViztory, keep the spirit of innovation alive. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep creating, and keep harnessing the power of AI to shape a brighter tomorrow.